to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at this Mr. Heater 75,000 BTU heater. I'm working on a siding job outside out here, guys. It's about 30 degrees today, and it's going to be dropping colder. We're expecting some ice and snow tomorrow. Having something like this on the job site is fantastic. I'll use this out here while I'm working outside and have it blow heat on me so it keeps me warm. If I'm working inside of a building that is not finished out totally yet, I'll use it in there. Just make sure that you have open ventilation. Now, I will tell you, if this works off kerosene or diesel, I always use diesel. But if you're using it inside of a building and you don't have that open ventilation, it's not only unsafe for you, but it puts a bad odor in the building. So make sure you have open ventilation. But it works great outside. If you were even out on a patio and you were trying to entertain guests, this thing is phenomenal for keeping everybody nice and toasty. So how it works, it's an all steel construction. It is going to ignite and blow the heat out here, and you'll plug it in with regular 110 household power. You're going to fill up the tank, which it sets underneath it here, right here in the back. And it has a gauge telling you how much fuel is in the system. If you fill this all the way up, it's going to last you about 11 hours, pretty much non-stop. So you can use this all day on an 8-hour day job, 8 or 10 hours, however long you're working, and you're going to stay warm. You can move it around and have it blowing on you. Now, you're going to set your temperatures through here, and you have a simple on and off button right here. And you have on this side, you have a couple of arms here where you can actually wrap cord around it. So if you've got a long cord like I've got now, I can be wrapping it as I'm moving and keep that cord from getting damaged or stepped on. So I'm going to ignite it so that you can see how it works, and I'll turn it so that you can see the redness in the front. Now, just make sure also that you don't have anything too close to the front of this that could be flammable, because it puts out a ton of heat, literally. So all you're going to do is hit the on button and it starts itself. And that quick, it is already ignited, and the center cone will become blood red as it gets warmer and warmer. And I can feel the heat already through my gloves. It blows that air a long ways out. When you get done with it, you just simply shut it off, unplug it, carry it and put it in your truck, or put it back in your workshop or wherever it is that you store it, and you are ready for the next time. So if I was rating the Mr. Heater 75,000 BTU unit on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars. Matter of fact, I'd probably give it 6 or 7, because I love this thing. I've had it for about 3 years now, and in all due honesty, I have had to do nothing to it other than just put fuel in it, put the plug on it, and hit the go button, and I stay warm. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it, and we will see you guys on the next review.